This is going to be about how to capture a snip or a screenshot so that you can take a picture of a portion of your screen. First, you have to find the snipping tool program. To do that, you first go to your Start menu and you look for the snipping tool. Mine is already pinned to my Start menu, but yours probably is not. So to do that, you need to go to All Programs and then into Accessories. This is also found in the Accessories portion of Windows 8. You're looking at my computer, which has Windows 7 on it, but there is an Accessories section in Windows 8. I think it's not under A. I think it's under Windows, and then under that it's an A for Accessories. But when you do find it, you will see a thing called Snipping Tool with this little picture of a pair of scissors over a red something. And if you right-click on that snipping tool, you can pin it to either your Start menu or your taskbar. See, right now, since mine is already pinned to the Start menu, I could unpin it from the Start menu, or I could pin it to this taskbar. It's your choice. So, whether you start it from the Start menu or the taskbar, or even just clicking on it where I found it there under Accessories, the next step is to click on this snipping tool, and pretty soon a snipping tool window will show up, and you will notice that your screen has gotten a little light and that there is a cross. If you push down your left mouse key and then drag that cross, you can make a box around anything on your screen. You could pick that, and then you will get a snipping tool window showing what you have boxed around. If you don't like that, and you don't save it, and you go back to the snipping tool again, and you pick some other portion of your screen, you can save that. When you let go, you get a picture of whatever you have put the box around in a separate window. And then when you go up here, you can save it. And now the task becomes to save your snip. To do that, you come up to the thing that looks like a floppy disk. You click on that, and it will give you a menu as to where and what to do with your snip. I put mine in My Pictures, and there's a new folder under My Pictures that I created called Snips, and then under the snips I have one for each month. Right now it is early December 2015, so if I call this snip that I just did snip demo, and click save, I will have that photo saved in a folder, in My Pictures folder, and saved by this month. The snip will be saved as a JPEG file, just like any other photo that you save in your computer. So you can use that snip just as you would any other photo. You can paste it into an email. You can attach it to an email. You can put it in the middle of a Word document. You can do anything with it that you would do with any other photo. Try it. I think you'll like it.